Hello all, my name is Kayomarz and I am a trainer from wisemonkeys. So in this session we will go through some more editing tools like quick selection tool, magic wand tool. So let's get started. So very first of all, whenever you start up, if you want to edit all this image and put it into one sheet, so what you can do is just go to file, new, take a new file. Let's take a new file over here as web and make it as 1920 by 1080 and take the resolution as 100. Now what you can do over here is go to file, open, let's go to the desktop and let's take an image for the editing. So we have some images over here. So let's take this image, open this image. So as you open this image, press F7 to open the layer panel, double click, unlock the layer. So for example, if you have a same color, a single color background, you have a tool over here called magic wand tool. So magic wand tool will help you out to remove the background of the single color. So let's just click on to the background. As you can see, as you have clicked, all the color is selected. So what does this tool do is, if you click a color, if you click on any of the single color, it will select that particular color into the scene. So if you go into this and increase the tolerance, tolerance is your area. So if you increase the tolerance, it will select more color over here. So tolerance will help you out to increase more selection. So now go into this refine edge, give smooth, give a feather and click OK. That's it. And press delete. So after this step, you can go into the select and deselect. So once you deselect it, now you can see this can be easily moved. If you want to put this onto a new background, so let's take a background over here. So this is your page, a simple background. Go into this and drag this image over here. Simple. That's it. So as you can see, it's clearly removed. Okay, still this part is still remaining. So go on to this image. Let's take this selection. You have a tool over here called add to selection. So please add the selection and press delete. So now you can see you have done with that. So let's open another image over here. Go to file, open, and we can take some other image over here. As you can see, you can even take this image. You can take this image. So let's take this image over here. Take this image. So very first of all, the tool first of all which you have seen over here was magic wand tool. Now we'll go through a quick selection tool. Quick selection tool works like a brush. So you have a brush onto the screen. You can increase, decrease the size of the brush using a box bracket. So if you use this box bracket to increase the diameter of brush, and this brush to decrease. Okay, so let's check it out. So again, this is an increase and this is a decrease. So let's go into it. You can even do it from here. Increase, decrease the brush size. So let's go on selecting it, this part. So I'm using this brush, reducing the brush, and I'm making the selection. So as you can see, I'm making the selections, so it is getting selected. Okay, great. Now after doing this selections, we need this selection, so you can subtract this part. You can subtract this part and add this. So you can add a bit of selection over here and subtract it from here. So whatever part you require, so you can do that from here. You can reduce the brush size. That's it. You can zoom out. So that's your selection done over here. So you need more selection over here to be added. So you can just click over here and you can, okay. First let's delete this selection. So right now what we require is this character. So go into this refine edge, make it smooth, make it feather, click OK. Now if I delete this, you can see the background is deleted. So you can easily delete that particular background from here. That's it. So Control D is for deselect. So you can still remove this part from here. You can use this tool. You can reduce the brush size and you can delete this part. So as we are going through this quick selection tool to remove all this. Okay. Can easily remove all this stuff over here. So now you can shift this character again over here into this file. Simple. That's it. Press Ctrl T. If you press Ctrl plus T to transform an image. So now press Alt and Shift to increase the size of this. That's it. So we'll see one more example to remove this. So go into File, Open. So let's check out. Okay. So you can take this image. Let's open this image with Photoshop. Same things can be done. Now over here, if you don't require this tree, or if you require it, we can keep it. We also have the same option, the magic wand tool. Now if you go into this, select, and if you say similar, it will remove the similar colors which are present into the scene. You can see. Okay. So we don't need this. We can use this tool over here. That is your quick selection tool. So quick selection tool will definitely help you out to get all this, and press delete. Simple. That's it. So for removal of this, you can use this. Okay. Before that, we have one tool over here called background eraser tool. Into this background eraser tool, sample a color from here, increase the brush size, reduce the hardness to make it soft, and you can easily you can remove this particular color without disturbing the background. So whatever sample you have taken, that particular sample can be, help you out to erase that particular color. So as you can see, we are only eliminating the area which is required. Also, we have one more option. You can do that. You can just go into this magic wand tool. You can just click one, and if you click on select, and if you click on the similar, you can see there will be similar color which is present, can be deleted, but it will definitely extract some more elements which are required. So we won't use this method. So you can use this option over here. That is your background eraser tool. This will definitely help you out to eliminate the background. Okay, that's it. So now you can give a background color if required. Can give a background color. That's it. So you can still more to go. You can go with this to remove the background. So in this way you can utilize these three tools we have seen over here. One is your quick selection tool, other is your magic wand tool, and one more tool we have gone through over here, that is your background eraser tool. So thanks for watching this tutorial.